Hi, today I will show you how to post to Twitter using n8n. So first, set up Twitter credentials in n8n. So in n8n, go to credentials and add new Twitter credentials. Use auth1 to authenticate by providing your API key secret, access token and access token secret from your Twitter developer account. Then create a workflow with a trigger node. So add a trigger node such as webhook, schedule or another app to start the posting process. Then you'll have to add a Twitter node to your workflow. So click on plus icon and search for Twitter or X. Here you'll have to select the operation create tweet. Now you will see this pop-up where you'll have to choose your Twitter credentials. By clicking on select credential, click on plus new create credential and choose your client ID and client secret. Now click on save and set the text field with the content you want to post. So you'll have to basically choose the text field with the kind of content you want to post, and optionally you can add images, videos if supported by linking binary data. Then connect the nodes and activate it. So link your trigger node to the Twitter node and save and activate the workflow. Then test your workflow. So you'll have to trigger the workflow manually or by the predefined trigger to post your tweet. And this setup allows you to automate tweeting content directly from n8n workflows based on any trigger or external event. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.